Hello everybody, check out this super cute little box. Oh my gosh, so cute. Again, I've been doing a lot of fold flats lately, so this is a fold flat box. So cute. It actually could hold a lot of things. It could probably hold your, it's almost the same size as a blue dot box, to be honest. And it is a cute little birthday box. You can put a lot of little treats in there for birthday. So cute. Want to know how to make it? Come with me. We'll make it together. To begin, we need a piece of cardstock. This happens to be Bubble Bath. And we need it 9 inches by 6 3/4 inches. So on the long side, we are going to score at 1/2 inch, 3 1/4, 4 3/4, and 7 1/2. We're going to flip it around, 1/2, 2, 4 3/4, whoops, and 6 1/4. All right, you know the drill. We're gonna fold and burnish all of our score lines. Alrighty, so you have one side that has a little 1/2 inch score line. So what we're going to do is take off the square and the rectangle right away. We're going to wedge out on that baby. Same for this one. And then we're going to cut up on all of our score lines. Okay, so now we're going to, oh, hang on. Let's see. Let's figure this out. So I like to have my back right there. So this guy is going away. And then I'll do the opposite. So this guy will go away. Which means that this tab I'm going to cut in half. This tab I'm going to cut in half. This tab in half. And the one next to the hole in half. And then we are going to wedge things out so that they fit in perfectly. That one too. Don't forget this one. And the last one on the other side. All right. You should have something that looks like that. So with my Seal Plus, I'm gonna go put adhesive on that little 1/2 inch tab. Gonna fold the box in half, and there we go. This is the moment of truth. I've always said, make sure that things are where they're supposed to be. All right, so, all right, this is the front. And in order to decorate this, I am going to use some papers called Delightfully Eclectic. This is the front and back. You need 2 1/4 squared. This is a lovely floral design. I think it would be perfect for birthdays. You need, for the top, 1 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then for the sides, whoopsies, 1¼ by 2½, and I cut this incorrectly, so I'm going to get another. All right, let's put some adhesive on that last side there. Perfecto. I love the greenery in this. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do something a little different here. I cut out, so in the paper, Delightfully Eclectic, there was a whole sheet of alphabet. So what we're going to do, and I cut them all out, and I put small Stampin' Dimensionals, or they're mini Stampin' Dimensionals, and I put them on the back, and I've spelled out Happy B-Day. So I thought this would go really cute with this particular design. Oh my gosh, it is super cute. Let's go that way. Let go. All right, you're too crazy there. Oh my God, that went together super cute, you guys. So cute. Yeah, then we're gonna leave it at that. I think that doesn't need anything more. It's got flowers, it's got a nice wish, it's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.